Hello everyone, I'm Kavira and welcome to my channel Exceptional Makeup. Here is Suhana with us with her absolutely gorgeous guest makeup look. You can also try this look in any special occasion. Stay with us and keep watching the full video. I'm starting with eyebrows. Today I'm using Rope Mate from iMagic. To create a sharp eyebrows, I'm using Krylon concealer. To create the crease line, I'm using dark brown from my You Can Be Spotlight eyeshadow palette. I'm using black shade for inner and outer both corner, and for the eyelid I'm using light pink from my same You Can Be Spotlight eyeshadow palette. I'm applying light pink and silver glitter on the eyelid from one of my favorite Delancey glitter palette. I'm using intense gel eyeliner to create the gorgeous look. For her face, I'm using Makeup Revolution Liquid Foundation F7.5 shade. I'm using translucent powder from Krylon to seal the base makeup. For lower liner, I have chosen the same light pink and black eyeshadow color from my Spotlight eyeshadow palette. For today's cream contouring, I am using NG2 from my Krylon base palette. A little blusher and highlighter to make her look gorgeous. for lip color, I always go for my Krylon lip palette. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.